Hello everyone, welcome to Down and Dirty. I'm Larry, and today we're going to attempt to straighten a 2.5 ton steering passenger tie rod end on the JLUR diesel. Got into a rock, didn't realize I was on it, managed to get through the obstacle, but I did bend the tie rod end. It's bent pretty good. So although I have a new one coming, I want to see the possibility of straightening this out. You know, if I can straighten it out and it doesn't break, possibly keep it for a spare, because it'd definitely be better than a broken one. We'll just see how it goes. I just want to see how well you can straighten this out. Make an attempt at it. All right, let's get started. Okay, so here's what I have going on. Got the winch from the Jeep. Going to the tree. Loop back to the Jeep, to the steering. And we're going to pull on that. Now, I have one of my DJI action cameras set here. I'm going to get it on and started and ready, but I link those to my phone at the dash, just like I do when I go wheeling. So I'll be able to watch this from in the Jeep while I'm holding the brakes and running my remote control for the winch. Like so. And we'll see how this goes. Hopefully I don't break it off. If I break it off, I'm close enough to the welder here. I can tack weld it back on to get it in the shop. I think that's as good as it's going to get. It's a lot better. Hey, perfect. Alright, that concludes this video of attempting to straighten a 2.5 ton tie rod end on the JLUR diesel. We moved it quite a bit, and I really don't want to try to go too much more. I don't want to break it, because I'd like to be able to move the vehicle around so we get the new one in. But I did straighten it out quite a bit. Actually straightened it out enough to where I can adjust it and get the toe correct to make it drivable. So that was my main goal. Main thing I wanted to see. You know, if you bend one and you're far enough away from home, then what can you do, or what should you do? All right, like, subscribe, share. Thank you for watching. Take care. Appreciate y'all.